Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this $97,000 in affiliate commissions with affiliate marketing and simple Facebook ads like this. So what I'll do is I will show you basically the exact campaign that I have on Facebook, and then I will give you the opportunity to copy and paste the exact campaign and give you the opportunity to use this exact Facebook ad that I have if you want me to help you promote your link. Now, before we begin, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Paolo Beringel and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. And if you also want to skip this overview video and if you want to go straight to the system that I'm using, what I'll do is I'll put the link in the comment section so you can go to this page right here. So you can go to this page and then you can check it out, and you should be able to get a copy of the exact system that I'm using. And then you can also check out this affiliate marketing traffic agency. So if you want me to help you promote your link, you can basically get the traffic package from this website, and then I will be helping you promote your link. So let me go ahead and show you the full step-by-step breakdown on how I was able to make this kind of commission. So you can see in one of my affiliate accounts, because I have plenty of these affiliate accounts. So in just one of my affiliate account, you can see it here. We have this 97,000 US dollars in affiliate commissions, which is pretty awesome. Now, the way this works is that this is the blueprint that I follow. So in everything that I do online, regardless if it's make money online or like weight loss offer, any affiliate offer, this is exactly the blueprint that I follow. So if you're not using this blueprint, then that's exactly why you're probably not making the kind of money that you want. So basically the way this works is that we have this traffic right here. So in this case, because in this example, this case study, we're using Facebook ads. So this traffic from Facebook, it goes to the lead capture page and then the thank you page, and it takes them to the special offer, which is the affiliate link. Now what happened is when people go to the lead capture page, they submit their email, they then become part of the autoresponder. So as soon as we get their email, they become part of the autoresponder. They receive the emails inside the autoresponder and they go back to the affiliate link, and that's how we make all these commissions, which is pretty awesome. So what I'll do is I'll show you the live campaign that I have so you can see that this is exactly working. This is working 2026 and it's still working. This is basically the way that you set up the campaign. Okay, so this is the website right here. So this is the main website that I'm using for my campaign, and so this funnel right here, this is the lead capture page. Okay, so what happened is that because I have this website, so the traffic source that I'm using is Facebook ads. So this one right here. Okay, so what I do on Facebook, it's really simple. I create a campaign. It's a lead generation campaign, and then in the ad set settings, all right, I'm gonna show you my settings so you can see. All right, so I'm specifically targeting people who lives in the US, and I'm targeting both male and female, age 30 years old to 50 years old, but sometimes it goes to like over 50. So it's Facebook doing its thing, right? And then I specifically target people who are interested with affiliate marketing and shopper. So you can see for this particular campaign, okay, I spent $148 in advertising. I got 168 landing page views. Okay, the cost per landing page is 0.89, so 89 cents to get people. Basically 89 cents to get people to that page right here, to this page. I'm getting people to visit this page, and the cost is 89 cents to get people to this page, which is pretty awesome, right? So it's probably unheard of in 2026, but I'm doing it now, so that's why I'm showing it to you. So you can see that for this particular campaign that I have 60 leads, okay, and the cost per lead is $2.48. So basically what happened is when people go to this page, they click this button, okay, and then when they click this button, they submit their email address here. They click on watch the video to learn how. They then go to the thank you page, which is this page right here. And when they go to this page, that is considered as a lead. Okay, so at this point, these people, all right, they become a lead. So whoever entered their email address, that person becomes a lead. And when they click on this link, this video, it will then take them to this page right here. And then on this page, this is where they can watch the video from the creator of the system. The guy who created the system is doing all the selling and all the telling. I don't need to speak to anyone, by the way. I don't need to recruit anyone or speak to anyone manually because I have other things to do, right? So the system, the advertising, and this system is doing all the selling and telling. So when people watch the video, they click this button, and then whenever they complete the purchase, that is how we make the commission. So for this particular campaign, the commission is an instant $200 in commission, which is pretty awesome. So that's basically how it works. That's the blueprint right here. Now, for those of you asking, so the targeting, let me go ahead and show you. So if I click on edit, the basic targeting that I'm using here, not a lot of people know this, but there's a specific way of doing the targeting on Facebook. So you're specifically targeting people who are interested in both affiliate marketing and engaged shoppers. So if I scroll down, let me go ahead and show you. Right, so if I scroll down to my targeting, I want to show you my exact targeting. So you can see it here, the location specifically is just United States because I want to just advertise my link to the people in the US. And then in the specific, let me go ahead and show you. All right, so I'm targeting people on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Threads. And then let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so this one right here. So you can see age is 30 years old to 50 years old. Gender is all genders, male and female. And this is where the targeting happens right here. So it's really simple, okay? So if I go on the targeting, you can see the detailed targeting. The specific targeting that I'm using here are people. Number one, the behavior is the purchase behavior, engaged shoppers. So I'm telling Facebook that I want to show the ads. I want them to show the ads to the people who are engaged shoppers, people who are active buyers, basically, okay? And then there's a criteria here. If you click on define further, there's a criteria that says and must also match interest, affiliate marketing, okay? So now what happens is that I think, let me just quickly show you. Before they used to basically what happens here is that whenever Facebook is showing the ads to these people, okay, the criteria should be they are interested with affiliate marketing and they are engaged shoppers. All right, so that means if if you have two circles, there's an intersection, okay, in between those two circles. That's basically what we are targeting. So that's why this campaign is so super effective. And as you can see in the results, right, I'm paying like 89 cents to get someone to visit the page, and I'm paying $2.48 to get a lead, right? So that's the exact campaign setting. And then if I go to the actual ad, so you can see the ad, that is the exact ad that I'm running. So you can see it here. So when people go and click on this ad, it says copy this online business that makes $200 a day. They click on the ad. Again, they go to this website, right? They enter their email address, or go to this website, they enter their email address, they go to the thank you page, and then they go to this page, they watch the video, they purchase. That is how we make the commission, which is pretty awesome. And in some of my other campaigns, like the bigger campaign, that's exactly the same strategy, the same system, the same method that I'm using. That's why I was able to make this $97,000 in affiliate commissions with one of my affiliate accounts. Now, for those of you who would like to get the same copy of the system that I'm using, basically what you do, I'll put the link in the comment section so you can go to this website and then you can follow the steps. You can get the copy of the same system. Once you get a copy of the system, what will happen is you will get the same copy of this page right here. And then once you get a copy of the same page, the next step that you need to do is, if you want me to help you promote your link, if you want to use this exact campaign that I already have the campaign on Facebook. So if you want me to promote your link, all you need to do, go to this website, purchase any of this traffic package, the Facebook or Meta package, and then give me your link. Once you give me your link, I will redirect the traffic from this campaign going to your affiliate link, going to your lead capture page. And then once the campaign goes live, then you should get the leads and start getting the sales. And with this particular campaign that we're promoting, the commission is instant $200 in commission. Now, for those of you who are asking what exactly will happen whenever people go to this page and submit their email. So once you get a copy of the same system, if we go here to the contacts CRM, all contacts, you can see it here. These are all the people who submitted their email address. And then we have the autoresponder. You will also get the same copy of these emails, the follow-up emails. Remember the blueprint that I showed you? Once they enter their email address, they become part of the autoresponder. They will receive all these follow-up emails going back to the affiliate link. So whenever people go to that link, they purchase. That's how you make the commission. So you will get the same copy of these emails right here, which I also showed in my previous video if you follow my social media. So you can see it here. These are follow-up emails that automatically go out to the leads. Again, we don't need to speak to anyone manually. We don't need to recruit anyone manually, because once the campaign goes live, Facebook will do the advertising, the system will do all the selling and telling, and the autoresponder will send the follow-up emails automatically. So you don't really have to speak to anyone. You don't even know who these people are, because whenever they join, they go to the funnel, they go to the system, they purchase. The only time that you will see that, or you will get like a notification whenever people purchase, you will get a notification that you get a $200 commission. And that's the only time that you will basically see, okay, someone joined, but you don't really have to speak to them because the system is doing all the selling and all the telling. So I hope that you like this video, guys, and I hope that I was able to help you get information on how I was able to make these commissions with Facebook advertising. So if you want to get the same copy of the system, again, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can check out the Super Affiliate Coach and the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency, so you can use the exact campaign that I have, and I will help you promote your link. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And all the links will be in the comment section, and I look forward to connecting with you inside the Facebook group. And most importantly, I look forward to connecting with you. I look forward to seeing your testimonial when you start getting these $200 commissions with affiliate marketing and Facebook advertising. Thank you for watching. All the links will be in the comment section. I wish you all the best, and God bless.